Hey guys, what's happening? How to buy and send Bitcoin on Kraken. So open up your Kraken wallet, make sure to verify your account and update your app to the latest version. Hit trade at the bottom right. Press buy. And then you're gonna select Bitcoin. Into the amount. Below, you're gonna see USD balance. Instead, you can just choose debit card or credit card, or if you added them both on Apple Pay, just select the Apple Pay for easier payment. So hit continue and confirm that you want to buy $100 of Bitcoin. Okay. Now, if you want to send Bitcoin, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go back to your interface. Go back, all right, and hit transfer at the bottom left. And then what you're gonna do, hit the last option, withdraw, because technically we want to withdraw funds from Kraken. And then hit Bitcoin again. Select your network. And before you do that, make sure to generate an address from your external wallet. Okay? And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just paste the address. Okay? Add a special nickname. Okay? And double click here to confirm that you want to add a withdrawal address. Make sure to add a special nickname so you can go back to it later, right? If you're regularly sending Bitcoin. Okay? So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.